For Blender version 4.2 and later, under About Blender, check your Blender app version or keep the install of a new copy installed on your Mac. My Blender app version is 5.1.1. If you mean building plan as a flat image,
blueprint, reference, and floor plan
in Blender on your MacBook, here's the easiest way to import it. Press Shift+A from the keyboard, go to Image in the menu, and select Reference. Browse building plans or images from your Mac drive. Click on Add Empty Image to add it in Blender. That's it. You can rearrange or resize using tools on the left side of the window. To add an import as a plane on a flat 3D plan, repeat the same steps. Press the Shift and A keys from the keyboard. Under Image, click on the Mesh Plan option. Browse and select an image and add it to Blender. Switch to Material Preview to display the object in 3D view. Now, use different tools on the left side to adjust or resize the building plan and image in Blender. That's it. In the older version, you should enable add-on for older than 4.2. From the Edit menu at the top left corner, click on Preference. Under Add-ons, select Checkbox. Import/Export. Import images as planes. Save the preference from the bottom hamburger icon. Follow the steps from importing an image file to Blender. That's it. If you have any questions, then comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.